Have you ever sensed someone pushing you away without saying a word? It's a strange feeling, right? Let's dive into how Stoicism can help us recognize these quiet signals of distance. Here's the thing. When conversations feel forced, that's a big red flag. You know, like when every exchange feels like pulling teeth. It's as if warmth has vanished and only echoes of previous comfort remain. Think about it this way. If someone avoids your gaze, it's more than just shyness. They're building a wall around themselves. An unspoken distance begins to grow. This is when we must remember that clarity is often hidden, but here's what I've learned. When they start throwing excuses around like confetti, it's a clear sign of distance. It's not that they're busy. It's a polite way of saying they don't want to engage anymore. Creating space through excuses can feel like physical barriers between you and someone you care about. It's like walking into a room that's gradually closing in on you, isn't it? And then, they may start comparing you to others. You know, highlighting qualities in others to chip away at your confidence. That's their way of distancing, not by rejection, but through subtle undermining. How often do we let these comparisons seep into our hearts? It's easy to feel inadequate when someone else suddenly seems better. But don't forget this, your worth isn't up for comparison. So, how do we apply these Stoic principles when we feel this distancing? First, observe without judgment. Give yourself clarity by witnessing their behavior, not getting lost in assumptions. Remember, it's not about chasing someone else's clarity. Instead, focus on your inner peace. Let their actions speak while you stand firm in your truth. The Stoic way of engaging with the world. Finally, take a moment to reflect. By accepting these signs without panic, you'll begin to foster resilience, knowing your value isn't determined by someone else's perception or distance. In the end, the best takeaway is this. Embrace Stoicism not just as a philosophy, but as a way of life. When you feel someone pushing away, let it guide you inward rather than outward. What resonates with you most from today's wisdom? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If this helped you on your Stoic journey, hit that like button and subscribe for more life-changing philosophy.